In this video I will show you 3 different methods to take a screenshot in laptop or PC. So, let's get started. First method, go to any page that you want to take a screenshot of. On your keyboard find the Windows key usually available on the bottom left and the print screen key available somewhere on the top right. Press the Windows key and print screen key simultaneously and you will see some kind of flash on your screen. Let's do it again. Keep the Windows key pressed and press the print screen key. This black flash indicates that the screenshot is taken successfully. Now go to the search bar and search for screenshot. You will find an image like this. Right-click on it and click Open File Location. You will see all of your screenshots here. I will open this image to show you that this is the screenshot we just took. Second method, once you are on the desired page, only press the print screen key. Now go to search bar and open Paint. Click the paste icon and your image will appear. You can make some changes here if you wish. To save, just follow the same steps you used to save a paint file and save it at the location that you wish. As you can see, the screenshot is available where I saved it. Third method, on the desired page search for snipping tool and click on it. A small dialog box will appear. Click on New and your cursor will look like this. Now drag the part that you want to screenshot. Let's say I want only this part. After you drag, this page will appear where you can make a few edits, like highlighting, drawing, etc. To save the image, click here on Save icon. Choose the location where you want to save it and click Save. As you can see, the customized screenshot has been saved. Now if you want to know about an amazing AI tool that makes animated captions for videos within seconds, then definitely check out this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.